Hello everyone, welcome, thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this pet nail clipper and grinder 2-in-1. I purchased this on Amazon for about $30. So this is what it looks like. Comes with the USB cord. So this USB cord is about 2.5 feet long. So it's rechargeable by USB and does not come with batteries. So this is even better, more convenient. Here is the LED status light. It turns red when it's charging and turns green when it's fully charged. When it's fully charged, you have a full time use of 3 hours. And it doesn't take that long to charge, maybe an hour on fast charging. So this feels really nice and smooth. This has a safety guard. This is stainless steel blade. This is your nail storage holder, like a nail holder, where all the clippings fall into. Comes with a LED light, where it makes it easier for you to see when you cut your pet's nails, so you won't hurt them. Spring back. Now this part right here is a nail grinder. Works with medium, small, and large dogs. You take this off for you're following your larger dog. Easy to take off and clean. Now, let's see how big this opening is. Diameter when cutting larger dogs, the maximum size would probably be 6 millimeters, or even about 6 millimeters would be the max for the opening. So this is pretty cool. A 2-in-1, very handy. Feels very nice. Definitely a good purchase. This motor, the sound of this is only about 40 decibels and less. So it doesn't scare your pet. Thank you guys for watching the video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time.